Books stacked high, the hours drip slow. Pages turn, but where does it go? Soft whispers dance through the air. Coffee and quiet, my only two friends. A table for one where the stillness begins. Coffee and quiet, where the world makes amends. The pencil rolls, the clock ticks away. Thoughts scatter wide, but here they stay. Gentle hums a calm replay. The rain taps soft like a shy hello. Curtains of bread, the warm light glow. Time feels heavy, but it moves so low. Coffee and quiet, my only two friends. A table for one where the stillness begins. Coffee and quiet, where the world makes amends. Let the rush dissolve. Life's present waits, but there's no need to solve. Coffee and quiet, my world's resolve.